What's going on, YouTube? I'm about to give you guys a quick trade recap of today's trade that we took today, January 2nd. This was our first trade of the new year. Um, we definitely want to just come into this market and just don't be tread lightly, just to open up the year. We came back to the market on Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. So I just kind of wanted to go over what made me take this trade. We were able to secure over $4,000 on four of my funded accounts. So what is that? That's over a little bit over what? Over a little bit over 13,000 for the day or more. But I just want to go ahead and without further more, just give you guys the reason and why I took this trade. What was my thoughts behind this? Just kind of just so we can kind of get into it. So just looking at it, just coming into the markets this morning, how I normally like to trade. I wait for highs and lows to get ran. So today coming into the markets, I saw that during the Asia session, we had created our Asia lows or Asia highs. The New York session opened up. During New York session, we ended up leaving those Asia lows down there untouched, and we kept pushing up, taking out those Asia highs. And then now we had our London lows and our London highs. Then we come around to 7:30, where we get our true opening of the New York session. During the we're not now. What I normally like to see, for me to go ahead and really short this on a normal basis is that I would love to see the New York opening run above the London highs, and then we go ahead and sell. But for today, I normally like to wait till 9:30. So what we do is like we had the 7:30 opening, we had price create a high, and we've been moving down, and then around here 9:30 we had price give us a cross, so we had a big push down. Once price kind of gave us this big push down, I was already looking like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and take sales here as long as price comes back into a premium area that's look more good for sales. It's coming to a more of a supply area. Like you don't want to buy in between, right? If you guys are looking for buys and sells, you might as well just wait till it get to the most, the highest or the lowest point. Just wait. Like I'd rather you miss the trade, but just watch how much more you hit on your trade, just simply just waiting, right? So just to kind of look at that. Then you have price here. We had price push down. We had price start creating lower lows, lower highs. We had a big push down. When price pushed down, we had a fair value gap that was created. So what I wanted to see was not only the price push back into this fair value gap. Okay, I wanted to see how we would react it. Okay, because remember I told you. Now my thought process at this moment is, well, we didn't take the London lows or London highs, so this trade is really free game. But being that how I saw how price pushed down, I'm like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and just look to go take shorts. We got these wicks above here, and then we got another fair value gap right about there. So once price pushed down, I saw us push back up. I saw us go back above this fair value gap that was created when we moved down. So I knew that once price got back underneath this fair value gap, I already knew she was gonna sell heavily. But I wanted to see what she was about to do before that. So what did we do? Price pushed up, filled the fair value gap. Not only did it fill the fair value gap, we had some liquidity sitting right above these highs right here. The price came above, took out the liquidity, came and completely filled this fair value gap right here. We filled that imbalance, and then we were able to go ahead and start selling. Price got back under this fair value gap, and we were able to go ahead and catch this trade all the way down. I was able to go ahead and call this trade to my Discord community. All right, and I want you guys to understand this. All this simply took was just patience, right? Just took patience and letting the market do what I wanted to do. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm reacting to the market. I'm not going to predict the market. If the market isn't in alignment with the things that I'm seeing or what I want to happen, I just don't trade. Right? And I want you guys to understand it's all risk management. And you should never feel scared or hesitant to pull the trigger or go ahead and get into a trade. If you have a trading plan, if you have good risk management, and if you follow, and if you're literally just have the patience to let the trade come to you, so when you see the opportunity, you just get in. Okay, but the only time I notice that people are having a hard time is when you're over trading, you're over leveraged, you're not following your trading plan, and those are normally the three main reasons why people lose their money. All right, and I want you guys to understand is like this is why I've created a community where I'm able to go ahead and help people get past those little bumps in the road where people may be losing money that they're making and not understanding why they're consecutively losing money. The trades that might be going their way, all right, they might be getting the right idea, but why are they losing money? Because of the things that's going on psychologically in their head, right? So these are things that I've been able to, go through for the last 6 years that I'm blessed and able to help other people understand because they still kind of got to go through. But once you go through something with a little bit more of an understanding, you're a little bit more looking forward towards the outcome of it. But when you're going through certain things, you know why you're going through it or how to go through it. A lot of people just get lost in the sauce and they end up giving up, right? And that's something that most people don't get told or most people don't get to really see it through. So I'm just happy I'm able to go ahead and show people how to do this. Like I said, family, we do trade every day. This trade was called live. I did give the trade live to my free Discord, my community. I do have private mentorship, but right now I do have a free Discord community where you guys are able to come trade with me live. All you gotta do is go ahead and click the link down below, join, create a ticket, go ahead and get yourself verified, and you're able to go ahead and take trades with me on a day-to-day basis from Monday through Friday at 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern AM. So trades like this is called, like I said, this was the first trade. I know that tomorrow is Friday, so we're just gonna let the market go ahead and just sizzle out. This year the goal is to get funded in over a couple million in these prop firm space. Right now I'm about 750 worth of funds into my name right now in funding. So I want to go ahead and just show you guys my journey and just go ahead and continue to keep showing you guys the trades, and hopefully these same trades that I'm showing you guys on a daily basis, you guys are able to tap in and come here and participate yourself. But if you feel like this video was able to give you some type of insight, able to give you some type of understanding, go ahead and hit that like button, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be dropping way more trading content. I'm going to be showing you guys ins and outs of me and give you guys more of my trade breakdowns. I do this every single day. I honestly, I don't even understand why it's taking so long. I've been doing this, and I felt like I've had so many great setups, so many great trades that I didn't post, that you guys didn't get to see. But guess what? You can't focus on the things you can't control. I can only focus on the things that I can control, and that's the thing. That now what I can control is the content that I put moving forward and helping you guys get this understanding. So without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like I said, I hope this video was able to get you guys ready for the next level. Let's get it.